good morning, my dear students. Today, in this English online class, we will start continuing reading the chapter which we started yesterday. So, the name of the chapter, yes, An Uncomfortable Bed. So, first of all, I would love to tell you the brief summary of the paragraph which we read yesterday. Okay, so here I start. So, my dear students, so the narrator in this lesson, okay, he went out, he went to, he went to stay for hunting season, okay, with some of his friends in Chateau in Picardy. Okay, so as soon as he reached there, his friends who were fond of practical jokes, okay, they gave him princely receptions. Okay, and they embraced him, they cajoled him, and you know what happened due to that? And because of that, the narrator thought that they had planned a practical joke for him this time. And he actually did not want to be the victim of their joke. So, what he decided? He just started alerting himself. Okay, he became very much watchful and restless. Okay, during the dinner, the mirth was excessive. There was so much amusement. Everyone was laughing in exaggerated way. Okay, and they were having double happiness without any reason. So what happened? That aroused, okay, so distrust, okay, in the breast of the narrator. Okay, so he began to suspect each and everything. He became very much conscious. Okay, he started, he even looked at the faces of the servant distrustfully. So you know what happened when the time came for sleeping? So all his friends, they came to see him off to his room. And you know what, as soon as he entered the apartment, what he did? Yes, he shut the door. Okay, he did not move. He just remained standing there. He did not take even a single step, and he was holding a candle on his in his hand. Okay, so what he just, and he heard a whisper and the loud noises that were coming from the corridor. Okay, he thought that his friends were spying on him. Okay, so what he did? So he just started examining each and everything. He cast a glance, then he looked around. So he looked around. So he looked around. He looked around the ceiling, the furniture, the floor, etc. Okay. So, my dear students, so he started examining each and everything. Okay, so you know what? So he just, an idea came into his mind. So Manmeet, you are calling to me. Please don't interrupt me, Asmita. Okay, so I'm going to. Okay, so is there any problem? Okay, Kritagya, I have unmuted you. Kritagya, you please tell, is there any problem?
No.
Okay, am I visible?
No, your video is off.
My video is off. Okay.
And now it is on.
It is on, yes. Am I audible to you? So please
Yes,
don't call me off. Number of the students, okay? So some of the students are calling me. So please don't call me up, okay? So my dear students, what happened? He started examining each and everything. Okay, so he went over to the window. So idea came into his mind. What was the idea? So he lighted all the wax candles that were on the mantelpiece. So when he went over to the window, he found the wooden shutters open. Okay, so he found the wooden shutters open, and you know what he did? So he just, he what he did, he just So please don't call me up. Manmeet, Adhika, please stop calling me. Stop calling me up. Okay, so what happens next? So what he did, he just shut down. So he just shut down the shutters very carefully and he drew the curtains. Okay, and then when everything was done, and one more thing he did, he put the table, he put the stool before the curtains. Okay, so my dear student, now let's read what happens next. Okay, now what else he does to avoid this situation. Okay, so Adhika, please stop calling me up. So is there something wrong? Dishita, Mehak, Adhika, please don't call me up. Why are you calling me up? Please, I'm just being disturbed. What's wrong with you? Shantanu, what's wrong? Please don't call me up. Okay, so now I'm going to read the next paragraph, which is given at page number 115. Okay, so what happened? Then I cautiously sat down. So my dear student, first you need to know the meaning of this word. What is the meaning of cautiously? Now its meaning is carefully. Okay, so now the narrator was he was overconscious. Please, my dear students, I want to request one thing. I want to make one request. Please don't call me up. Please don't call me up. I'm just being disturbed. Okay. So Kinjal, what's the problem? Why have you raised your hand? Yes, Kinjal.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you can make your phone offline.
Yes, बच्चे.
मैम आप अपना फोन ऑफलाइन कर दो फिर फोन नहीं आएंगे और वाईफाई ऑन कर लो.
Okay, you okay. Same thing is being done. Please. So next what happened? So the armchair was, now he carefully sat down. Okay, so the armchair was solid. Now he was, as he was examining each and everything, so he found that armchair, when he inspected that chair, he found that it was okay, it was solid. Okay, he thought that उसे ऐसे लगा कि शायद वो चेयर पे बैठेगा और चेयर टूट जाएगी. So first he examined, that was okay. Okay, so I did not venture to get into the bed. So what is the meaning of venture? So meaning of venture is to take risk. So my dear students, he did not take risk to get into the bed. अभी उसके अंदर इतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी कि वो बैठ के जाए. So however, time was flying, the time was passing, and I ended by coming to the conclusion that I was ridiculous. Now meaning of this line is, he thought that now something came into his mind, and he came to the conclusion that I was ridiculous, that he was looking very funny. He himself was inviting mockery. What is the meaning of ridiculous? So ridiculous means deserving or inviting mockery. So he thought that कि वो जिस तरह से एग्जामिन कर रहा है या फिर वो जिस तरह से ओवर कॉन्शियस हो रहा है, because of that actually he was inviting mockery. Okay, so next, if they were spying on me, as I supposed they must, while waiting for the success of the joke, they had been preparing for me. They have been laughing enormously at my terror. First, you need to understand the meaning of enormously. So, meaning of enormously means something which isn't big, something which is big, okay? At my terror. And what is the meaning of terror? That means fright or afraid. So narrator was so much afraid. वो बहुत ज़्यादा डरा हुआ था actually. He was so much afraid. So what he thought, उसने सोचा कि जिस तरह से मैं डरा हुआ हूँ, ऐसे तो वो मुझे देखकर और भी ज़्यादा क्या होंगे, मेरे ऊपर हंसेंगे. Okay? So he realized that if they had been spying on him, as he had supposed, they must, while waiting for the success of the joke they had been preparing for him, had been laughing enormously, okay, at his terror, at his fright. I hope it is clear to you. So उसको लगा कि जिस तरह से मैं डरा हुआ हूँ, वो तो इसी बात के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा हंस रहे होंगे. So I made up my mind to go to bed. So he thought, he made up his mind, matlab he decided. So he decided to go to bed. But the bed was the bed was particularly suspicious looking. So what is the meaning of suspicious looking? It means doubtful. The bed was doubtful. Why it was doubtful to him? Because he thought that his friend had arranged a joke, okay, for him, and he had made some arrangement in the bed for the prank. उसको लगा कि इन्होंने लगता है कि बेड में ही कुछ गड़बड़ जरूर की है, कि जैसे ही मैं बैठूंगा ये हो सकता है या वो हो सकता है. Okay? So I pulled the curtains. Yes, the narrator pulled the curtains. You know, my dear students, so the bed that was in the room, that it was having curtain, okay? So when he just pulled the curtains, so they seemed to be scared. There was nothing wrong. It was okay, okay? So all the same, there was danger, but still there was danger. What was the danger? So number of the thoughts actually came into his mind. So बहुत सारे जो thoughts थे वो उसके mind में आए. The first one, he thought, I was going perhaps to receive a cold shower bath from overhead. First idea, first thought that came into his mind, that was that his friends might have arranged a bucket of cold shower, and as soon as he would move it, it would spill over his head. उसको लगा कि उसके फ्रेंड्स ने कि एक कोल्ड शावर की जो बकेट है वो रखी हो, कोल्ड वाटर की बकेट होगी, पड़ी होगी, और जैसे ही वो हिलेगा वो बकेट जो उसके सर के ऊपर वो गिर जाएगी. So first thought was this, okay? So the second thought, as or perhaps the moment I stretched myself out to find myself sinking under the floor with my mattress, and he thought that the bed was weak. So as soon as he would stretch, as soon as he would expand, okay, what would happen? So he would fell from his bed. उसे लगा कि वो बेड से गिर जाएगा. Okay, so two thoughts came into his mind about his friends, because he knew that his friends were fond of practical jokes. So he thought that two things might can happen. Okay, so my dear students, he was just thinking about these things. So I searched in my memory for all the practical jokes of which I had experience, and I did not want to be caught. No, certainly not. So in the meaning of these two lines is, okay, that actually his friends were fond of practical jokes, and in the past they had played a number of jokes on him. Okay, so he was recalling all those jokes. वो सभी jokes को remember कर रहा था कि past में उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ है. So उनमें से कोई jokes तो नहीं है कि वो दोबारा से उसी joke को repeat कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this time he was determined, okay, he was firm that he was not going to be the victim. कि इस बार वो शिकार नहीं बनेगा, इस बार तो वो alert रहेगा. So he became very much over conscious. Okay, so suddenly I suddenly thought of precaution which I consider one of extreme efficacy. So he decided to take precaution. So what is the meaning of precaution? That means safety measure. So he decided to take safety measure, and one idea came into his mind. Okay, so first you need to understand the meaning of efficacy. That means producing the desired result. So one thing came into his mind, that he thought that it would produce a better result, or it would give a positive result. Okay, so I caught hold of side of mattress gingerly. So what is the meaning of gingerly? Very carefully. Okay, so what he did, so he decided to do one thing. उसको लगा कि ऐसा करने से ना good result आएगा. He would get a good result, a positive result. And what was the thing that he did? क्या किया उसने? He caught hold of the side of the mattress gingerly and very slowly drew it towards me. Okay, so it came away. So it came away, followed by the sheet and the rest of the bedclothes. I dragged all the objects into the very middle of the room, facing the entrance door. Now I'm going to explain these lines. So what happened? So he thought कि मैं क्या करता हूँ? He pulled forcefully the side of the mattress. उसने कहा कि in spite of going to the bed पे जाने की बजाय उस corner पे, that was actually was giving him, that was actually frightening him. That corner where the bed was laying, where the bed was there, the place where the bed was, okay, put. Okay, that area was looking very much suspicious. So what he did, so he decided to caught side of the mattress, you know well. Okay, so उसने mattress का एक side खींचा अपनी तरफ. So what happened? So as he dragged the mattress, all the things came up to him. सारी चीजें, bedsheet, everything came to him, उसके पास आ गई. And what he did, he rearranged the bed. अब उसने अपना bed जो था वो दोबारा से set किया. And where he set the bed? He set the bed in front of the entrance door. Okay, so I made my bed over again as best as I could at some distance from the suspected bedstead and the corner which had filled me with such anxiety. You know what he says? He says, अब वो उसने क्या किया? What he did? Now he rearranged his bed in the middle of the floor in front of the entrance door, and it was away from the bedstead. Okay, it was away from the bed and the corner where the bed was put. जहां पे बेड पड़ा था उससे थोड़ी दूरी पे उसने अपना बेड जो था वो रीअरेंज किया मैट्रेस के साथ. So he decided to sleep on the floor. Okay. So then I extinguished all the candles and groping my way, I slipped under the bedclothes. So meaning of this line is, then I extinguished. So उसने क्या किया? He put out. उसने सारी candles को बुझा दिया. And groping. So my dear student, what do you know what is the meaning of groping? So okay. So अब सारी candles उसने क्या की थी? He put up all the candles. So what happened due to that? There the room was very much dark. Okay, अंधेरा हो गया. So he was not able to find his way. So what he did, now he want to वो क्या करना चाहता था? वो अपने मैट्रेस पे जाकर सोना चाहता था. So as he was not able to see, okay, to see something in the room as there was darkness, so he and groping my way. So groping means, look at the board. So groping means to feel with hands. अपने हाथों से when there is darkness, you know what happens when there is darkness? So what do? So we try to feel the things with hands to avoid accident. Okay, तो हम क्या करते हैं? अपनी चीजों को हम हाथ से फील करना शुरू करते हैं अंधेरे में. ठीक है, तो he made his way, उसने अपना रास्ता अपनाया by feeling the things with hands. Okay, and slipped under the bedclothes, और वो सोने चला गया. Okay, so my dear student, I hope the explanation of this paragraph is very much clear to you. Now it's your turn. Okay, I'm going to ask few questions. Okay, let me check. Are you listening to me or not? Okay, so here I start. So first question is, what did he do when he went over to the window? I'm repeating the question. So what did the narrator do when he go over to the window? Okay, so I'm going to give turn to Mehak. So Mehak, I have unmuted you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, Mehak.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
The question is, what did the narrator do when he go over to the window?
Ma'am, he pulled the curtain.
Yes, what he did? First, he just closed the shutter. Wooden shutters को उसने close किया, and after that he drew the curtains. Yes, and put a chair in front of them to avoid that situation. Okay, to make himself safe. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. So my next question is, that is very much simple. Okay, so that is, what kind of chair was there in the room? So what kind of chair was there in the room? What kind of chair was there in the room? Hurry up, it is very simple. It is very simple. So I'm going to give turn to Kinjal. You have not raised your hand. Kinjal, I have just mute. Yes, I have just unmuted you. Yes, Kinjal. Kinjal. So Kinjal is not responding. So I'm going to give turn to, yes. So Komal, yes, Mehak. Yes, Mehak, I have unmuted you.
Ma'am, the chair was solid.
Yes, the chair was solid. Okay, so next is, so my next question. So what kind of practical jokes did the narrator think his friends would do? So I'm repeating the question. That is, what kind of practical jokes did the narrator think his friends would do? कौन से practical jokes उसने सोचे कि इसके friends जो है वो? Please, some of the students are calling me up. Please stop calling me up. Please, I cannot attend your phone. Okay, so I'm going to give turn to, yes, Kritagya. I have just unmuted you, Kritagya. Yes. Kritagya? Yes, Kritagya, do you hear me? Please speak loudly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
the answer is that the narrator was going perhaps to receive a cold shower bath from overhead, or perhaps the moment I stretched myself out to find myself sinking under the floor with my mattress.
Okay, my dear student, your answer is correct. But I'll tell you how to give the answer. Okay, you have not changed the pronouns. So please be particular when you write the answer. You have to change the pronouns. Okay, I'll tell you how you can give the answer. Okay, so the kind of practical jokes did the narrator think that his friend would do, that he thought that he was it. So you have to convert I into he. So he was perhaps, actually this answer is given at page number 115. So line number 5. Okay, so he thought that, the narrator thought he was going perhaps to receive a cold shower bath from overhead, or perhaps the moment. So now I again will be converted into he. He stretched out he stretched himself. So myself will be converted into himself. So he stretched himself out. He would fall down from his bed. So you can give the answer like this. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so now I'm going to read out the next paragraph, which is given at page number 116. Okay, so let's read it out. So for at least another hour, remained awake, starting at the slightest sound. Everything seemed quiet in the chateau. I fell asleep. I must have been in a deep sleep for a long time, but all of a sudden, what happened? Okay, so first I'm going to explain first two lines. So for at least one another hour. So he remained. I means who I? Who is I? Yes, the narrator. So narrator remained awake at least for another hour. एक और घंटा वो जागता रहा. And he was not able to sleep. Okay, because he he was waking up by the slightest छोटा छोटा sound की वजह से भी वो जाग रहा था. Okay, everything seemed quiet in the chateau. फिर at once क्या हुआ? सारा, so there was calm in the chateau. बिल्कुल शांति थी. I fell asleep. Who fell asleep? Yes, the narrator fell asleep, and he was actually in a deep sleep. Okay, for a long time. So बहुत लंबे टाइम तक वो बहुत गहरी नींद में था. But all of a sudden, what happened at once? So I was awakened with a start by the fall of heavy body tumbling right on top of my own body. And at the same time, I received on my face, on my neck, on my chest, a burning liquid which made me utter a howl of pain. So, what happened all of a sudden? He was in a deep sleep. So, an accident happened. And what was the accident? Yes, the accident was that he was awakened with a start. You know what happened? A heavy body fell on his body. A very heavy body fell on his own body. And you know what? So, a liquid fell, a burning liquid fell on his face, on his neck, and on his chest. And the liquid was so hot that he made a loud cry. और इतना liquid वो burning hot था कि वो जोर से चिल्लाया. Okay, and a dreadful noise, as if a sideboard laden with plates and dishes had fallen down, penetrated my ears. Now the narrator says that he heard a loud noise, and now he was comparing the loud noise and with the uh, sideboard laden with plates and dishes. He thought that उसको ऐसे लगा कि एक sideboard जो होता है ना plate से भरा हुआ, okay, and that had fallen down, and that penetrated. What is the meaning of penetrated? When something go into something, especially with force, that you can call that pierced. Okay, so उसको वो sound ऐसे लगा कि जैसे उसके कानों के अंदर किसी ने क्या कर दिया, जबरदस्ती जोर से वो sound गया. Okay, so I felt myself suffocated under the weight that was crushing me and preventing me from moving. So what happened? So narrator felt himself suffocated. So what is the meaning of suffocated? The meaning of suffocated is having the breath crushed out of one's lungs. So क्या हुआ था इससे पहले? So heavy body fell on his own body, and because of the weight of that body, he was not able to move, and he was not able to take a breath. वो सांस भी नहीं ले पा रहा था. He was feeling suffocated. Okay, so okay, next, I stretched out my hand to find out what was the nature of this object. Thou, the narrator, stretched out means expand his hand. Now what he wanted to put that away. He wanted to put that thing away from him. Okay, and he wanted to see कि ये क्या चीज है जो मेरे ऊपर आके गिर गई है. Okay, I felt a face. When he touched, I felt a face, a nose, and whiskers. What he felt? He felt it was a face. So face, nose, and whiskers. What is the meaning of whiskers? So mustache, मूछे. Okay. So उसको लगा कि ये कोई इंसान है, किसी का फेस है और किसी का क्या है, नोज. उसको टच जब उसने किया उस चीज को, तो he felt that like that. Okay, then with all my strength I launched out a blow over this face. तो उसने क्या किया? Launched out a blow. जोर से एक मुक्का जो था उसके मुंह पे उसको हटाने के लिए लगाया. But in return what he got, उसको क्या मिला? but I immediately received a hail of cuffings which made him jump straight out of the soft sheet. अब वो लिक्विड गिरने से वो उसकी शीट्स भी गीली हो चुकी थी, तो उसने क्या किया, इमीडिएटली जब उसने जोर से मुक्का उसको लगाया, ब्लो दिया, गेव अ ब्लो, तो फिर इमीडिएटली उसको क्या हुआ, उसको जोर से ऐसे फीस्ट, सो ही गॉट a hail of cuffing. So you need to understand the meaning of cuffing. That means blows with feast. उसको भी ऐसे जोर जोर से जो थी ना वो माउथ के ऊपर हिट हुआ, तो और वो क्या हुआ, वो गीली शीट्स, जो गीली हो गई थी शीट्स, उसमें से वो एकदम निकला. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट, and he rushed, I rushed in my nightshirt into the corridor, and he was wearing night suit, and he just rushed to the corridor की तरफ वो भागा. Okay, the door of which I found open, जो door उसको खुला दिखाई दिया, उसमें से वो जोर से भागा. Okay, oh stupor. So what is the meaning of this word stupor? That means state of being unconscious. So narrator was actually क्या था वो, unconsciousness वहां पर थी. So the noise brought my friends hurrying into the apartment, and we found sprawling over my improvised bed and dismayed valet. So my dear student, first you need to understand the meaning of these words. So what is the meaning of sprawling? So meaning of sprawling is, yes, sprawling means laying full length, okay, and improvise means made shift. Okay, valet. Now this word to be pronounced as valet, T is silent here. Okay, so what is the meaning of valet? That means person, man, servant. Okay, so hua kya? So you know what happened? So on hearing the voice, his friends came there. Okay, and what they found, a body was laying on his improvised bed. What was the improvised bed? Yes, the bed which was rearranged. उसने सेकंड बेड कहाँ लगाया था, फ्लोर के ऊपर, किस चीजों के साथ, मैट्रेस के साथ. ओके, सो वो जो वेले था, वेटर था, वो धड़ाम से उसके ऊपर गिरा हुआ, बिल्कुल अनकॉन्शियस वहां पे लेटा हुआ था. ओके, फुल लेंथ में. ओके, सो एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, हुआ क्या था, and who, while bringing me my morning cup of tea, had tripped over this obstacle in the middle of the floor and fallen on his stomach, spilling in spite of himself my breakfast over my face. So हुआ ये था कि जो waiter था वो actually he brought in the morning, he brought his breakfast for him. Okay, but he was not aware about the improvised bed. He was not aware that the bed, that the narrator was laying on the floor, on the mattress. उसको लगा ही नहीं था. He did not think कि भाई ये जो है वो मैट्रेस के ऊपर लेटा हुआ है कि, सो उसने क्या किया, सो वो उसके साथ टकराया और वो धड़ाम से उसकी बॉडी के ऊपर गिर गया, और एवरीथिंग, द थिंग which he was carrying, सो वो सारी चीजें, वो टी, बर्निंग हॉट लिक्विड, वो उसके ऊपर गिर गया. किसके ऊपर, नरेटर के ऊपर. सो एक्चुअली दिस incident happened actually because of the foolishness of the narrator. So क्योंकि narrator ने क्या किया था, he was very much overconscious and he wanted to keep himself safe from the prank. So what actually he did, he rearranged the bed in the middle of the floor in front of the entrance, and the valet was not aware of it. And what happened, so when he just, yes, what he did, so he had tripped over his obstacle in the middle of the floor and fallen on his stomach, वो उसके ऊपर ही गिर गया सारा कुछ. Okay, so the precautions I had taken in closing the shutters and going to sleep in the middle of the room had only brought about interlude I had been striving to avoid. How they had laughed at the day. So what happened? So now the narrator says कि उसने बहुत सारे, he took number of safety measures. He just shut down the shutters. उसने किया था, shutters को बंद किया था, and he just decided to sleep in the middle of the floor. Okay, so but all these things के कारण क्या हो गया, सभी चीजें messy हो गई. और interlude, what was the interlude? So what is the meaning of interlude? So a short period where when situation or activity from what comes even or before or after. So it means, so पहले जो situation थी उसने तो what he did, actually he tried to avoid the situation. He did not want to be the victim, so he decided to take सेफ्टी मेजर. बस वही सारे सेफ्टी मेजर लेने की वजह से वो क्या बन गया, खुद ही वो प्रैंक बन गया, वो उसका एक मजाक बन गया. और उसके जो फ्रेंड्स थे एंड आई हैड बीन, जो वो अवॉइड कर रहा था जिस प्रैंक को, वो प्रैंक एक्चुअली इसके ऊपर बन गया, वो खुद ही उसने बना दिया. हाँ, और क्या हुआ, और उसके जो एवरीवन, सो उसके जो सारे फ्रेंड्स थे, दे जस्ट लाफ्ड एट हिम, और वो उसके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा हंसे. So actually this was the time when the friends did not prepared any prank, okay, but still because of the actions of the narrator everything happened. So he himself made a prank. तो उसने खुद ही एक जो था वो मजाक, वो जो था वो क्या बन गया, he became the victim of the prank by himself. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear. So I'm going to ask question. So okay, now we'll discuss, first of all we'll discuss the reference to contest. Okay, that is given at page number 117. So get ready. So the precautions